Ito ho, gusto ko maintindihan ninyo. How does PhilHealth conduct medical audit? Okay? Who would want to know? Who would want to know yung details on how they conduct the medical audit? Can you please type yes kung interesado kayo? Type no if hindi ko kayo interesado. Okay? Doc Ben, ayoko makinig dyan. Okay, joke. So, yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'll just simplify it. Okay? Hindi ho ganun ka-complicated. Thank you po, Doktora. Yes, yes, yes. So, ganito yan. Para may idea lang ho kayo. So, yung audit ho, okay? Number 1, the selection of specific claims. So, pinipili yan. Pag nagpadala ho kayo ng 100 claims, nag-transmit kayo ng 50 claims, 20 claims for the week, or 100 claims for the month, they will not read everything. Not all will be audited right away. Okay? Meron hong selection. Okay? Meron hong iba, random only. Meron namang iba, triggered by a complaint. Meron namang iba, sulsul. Okay? Meron namang iba, medyo suspicious ang behavior. Pag na-select na ho nila yung claim na yan, okay, they will now validate it. Validate the quality services in the claim forms. Okay? Again, they will not go to your hospital. They will validate it. Okay? So, is it possible that they are lenient in some hospitals and strict? Okay, tanong ni Doktora. Maganda yung tanong nyo, Dok. Okay? Tanong ni Doktora Kailaw. Is it possible? O, sinagot ni Dr. Posas. Thank you, sir. Yes. The question is it possible they are lenient in some? Ako, Doc, I'm going to make it official. Yes. Okay. Now, yan ho yung sa panahon ko. Okay, linawin ko Balik natin yung tanong. Is it possible they are lenient in some hospitals, open, close government, and strict? Okay. I will borrow the words of former President Alexander Padilla in one of our big session in our city. Okay. Ako ho yung moderator and siya ho yung guest speaker ko. So, healthcare providers, hospitals of Region 11 were all in one hotel and then siya ho nagsasagot ng mga tanong. So something like that yung question. Ang sagot ho, okay, ng former president at that time, several years ago, was very simple. Okay? Ang sagot niya, yes. Unfortunately, okay, we are biased to government hospitals. Why? Because we are government. They provide services to the poor. We would want them to continue providing services to the poor. So yan ho yun. Sinabi niya. Okay? Exactly how it is. We are biased. Nung time niya, Doktora. However, okay? Meron parating however, Dok. However, yung mga sumunod na presidente ho, nagpa-file ng mga cases at sinususpend ho yung ibang government. Okay? So, depende ho siguro, okay, may dagdag akong salita, depende ho siguro sa top management. Kasi meron din hong mga government hospitals na medyo alanganin. Okay? I will not say the term. Okay? So, meron hong iba dati na suspend. I'm not going to mention it. Meron ho ako alam, napakalaking hospital. Sinuspend ho talaga ni PhilHealth. The balls of doing it. Kaya kahit si Malacanang tumaas yung kilay, nasira ang kaba ng bait, PhilHealth, sinuspend mo sila. Okay? So, that happens. Okay? Pwede, Doktora Panogan ng Usamis, Doc, unfortunately, meron ho. Okay? Meron ako alam. It's either they are, kung may decision sila na for revocation, for suspension, either it's a bluff or they are just flexing their muscles or are they really going to execute it? It remains to be seen. But I know of some before. Right now, with UHC, with the new admin, okay, and with the new president, okay, depende ho yan. Depende sa board, okay? But historically, it's not something na, ano, it's something ganon, okay?